Hello everybody, I'm Giovanna Battaglia from the Cultural Department of Splendid Sicily, and welcome to the Cannolo Report. We're broadcasting from Sicily, and in this period of time of great fear and pain, heart could be of help and companionship. Once it's over, we will only remember it as a bad period, and soon everything will go back to calm. Like always, everything have a beginning and an end. Here in Sicily, the situation is quite under control, with about 1,500 people infected and 60 deaths, all already with critical conditions. The problem in Italy is in the north, in a small area where millions of people were infected, where nothing could have been done to stop this phenomenon. But these days, everything seems to be going well, and we hope that we will soon be able to exult, not only here, but all over the world. And now let's talk about the beauty here in Sicily. We dreamed together with this reconstruction in 3D of the city Siciliota of Selinunte, founded in the 7th century before Christ, on the shores of the African Sea. Here is the city wall that defended the city with one of its front doors. Here is a Siciliota with the tunic that walks the streets of Selinunte, between sumptuous buildings such as spas, sports gyms, and magnificent temples, including this beauty, the Temple C, probably dedicated to Apollo, characterized by a staircase of 8 steps with the gigantic figure of the Gorgone at the top, symbol of Sicily, that we will talk about later, and wonderful metop that are all at the Archaeological Museum Palermo. The stone of the cave or mine of Cusa. The exciting thing about this place is that even today you can see the work of these columns, since the site must have been abandoned suddenly, taking the employees by surprise. It is as if they had been away for a lunch break of 2,500 years, and like if they would return to work tomorrow and they will continue quietly. So visit Selinunte and the caves of Cusa when you come here to Sicily. The flag of Sicily has the colors of Palermo and Corleone, that is red and yellow. It was born during the Sicilian rebellion against the Angevins during the Vespers War in 1282, and Palermo and Corleone were the first to join, and then was followed by all Sicily. The flag shows the great symbol of Sicily, dating back to the Sicilian period, at least to the 4th century before Christ. It has 3 legs, like the 3 heads of the island, in the shape of a triangle, and the air of wheat. And now, in this moment, we need so much sweetness. A teaching should come to us from children, and from their pure and disinterested world. We present to you the lullabies of Sicily.
Figlio bello ti voli la mamma con cucite di cuculatunna. Si tu non ci va
dormi figli e l'altri no, e se tu non vuoi dormire, nati categgi quando non avere. Oh,
Vo, 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 e la vo. Viene sul nozzo e viene qua vicino, t'aspetta nesta naca un serafino. Vo, 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 e vo, vo.
e dorme figlio fino al mattino. Oh, dormi figlio e fai la.
In this adventure in the Sicilian world, we are accompanied by the folk singer and composer Rita Botto, who dedicated to the lullabies a beautiful album entitled Ninao.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2.
Salvatore che piange, voglio la naca in mezzo all'arancia. Tu chi ha Salvatore che ride, voglio una naca in mezzo alla leve.
Figlio bello che avevi catianci, la naca vola immensa l'arancia. Figlio bello che avevi carridi, la naca vola immensa la livi.
Dice, oh, figlio bello da mamma to. E sto figlio non vuole dormire, coppa no culo sai quanto ne vire. E ne vire cento figlio d'oro e figlio da gente. Oh, oh.
Niente la lo, niente la ninna, sto figlio che ancica voli la minna. E se sto figlio non moli dormire, tamolo un terra e lasciamolo ieri.
San Francisco di Paola, con zatici la tavola e con zatici la buona senza lampi e senza trona e con zatici la ranni quanto chiano di San Giovanni a bimbo dormi sto figlio e la uccino e se sto figlio non moli dormire quando corpazzando culo capire e se sto figlio non moli dormire quando corpazzando culo capire.
La sicurezza con lo sale, sa mangiare con mari e che per con la cito, sa mangiare marito. Chi piove, come chiove, la yatta fa il provi.
This summer, this bad experience of the coronavirus will be just a memory. And so get ready to put on your bathing suit and come here in Sicily to have fun. With its golden beaches, with its sun, with its sea, with its good food. And as usual, ask us of any information you want on travel tips or other. We are available to the whole world.
Permesso?
An open door. Never leave the doors open when we're around. Good morning, how are you doing?
Please enter. We're waiting for my son to eat.
Good morning, ma'am. What are you cooking? As soon as my son comes, I put the spaghetti. And then we eat these chili peppers that I made. Please taste one. How is it? Sit down and eat your bread. Good.
Come? Avete fatto la fuitina?
Listen, did you guys do the fuitina? Actually, yes, we did. It just had to happen to me. That you will come to my house.
Io mi chiamo Franco, lei si chiama Pina, Giuseppa.
My name is Franco, and she's Pina. Here, drink some wine.
Do you want another chili pepper? If you want it, you could take it with no problem. No, thank you. They're waiting for me to eat in a family nearby. You're very kind. But look at these Sicilians, the symbol of brotherhood and hospitality. And while we're there, Franco plays for me music with his beautiful accordion. Dear Franco and Giuseppina, thank you for this wonderful moment that you have made us live. To say it like Flaubert would, the journey which is, the bitterness of rapture sympathy, but a sweet bitterness of a sweet memory. Sulfur mines were a very dramatic moment in the history of Sicily, when children were also forced to work inside these holes, where sometimes an explosion killed the poor Sicilians. There are several scattered on the island, and today represent a fascinating tourist itinerary. The communal washrooms are also scattered in different villages of the island, and still some Sicilian, young and old, use them, as here in the beautiful village of Itala, eastern Sicily. These are the ruins of Morgandina, 5th century before Christ, in the center of Sicily. There is the whole city, with also a theater, and in a house we can still see on the front door the welcome greeting, or Aixei. On April 14, 1633, Paolo Boccone was born from a noble family of Palermo. He was a botanist and naturalist of international fame, who at the age of 50 decided to become a priest and took the name of Silvio. He has written many works dedicated to botany. On April 15, 1597 was born in Ragusa Giovan Battista Odierna, great genius of the land of Sicily. Culture at that time passed from the church, and he was also a priest who dedicated himself to astronomy, becoming a pillar and making countless discoveries. The asteroid 21047 Odierna was dedicated to him. In this exceptional footage of the Luce Institute of 1929, a reconstructed railway bridge is inaugurated after the devastating eruption of Etna, which reached almost to the sea. Here's the train with Etna in the background. And here are the Sicilians with these white party hats. Someone has the cupola, and everyone has a mustache. And there is also the strange instrument that certainly calculated the strength of the structure in an era when everything was still simple and genuine. Television and refrigerator did not exist, and computers had not floated the world. O pesce federa a testa. The fish stings from the head, which means that in a community, big or small, the bad behavior of everyone originates from the person in charge of the community. For example, if the store owner is rude, the employees will be as well. And we have come to an end. So I'll greet you all, and I recommend you, let's keep our finger crossed and be optimistic that everything will pass soon. And we will expect you with open arms. Sicily will wait for you with open arms. So we'll see each other in 15 days. A big kiss to the whole world.